with coverage of VinFast, the Vietnamese company that is projecting to start selling EV vehicles in the United States. As of right now, they have two models, which you can see on your screen. You have the VF8 and the VF9. These are very beautiful SUVs, crossovers that are designed by the Italian firm Pininfarina. So these EVs, the company projects to start manufacturing them in one of the Carolinas, and they are projecting to build a factory in, I believe it's in North Carolina, in Durham. So here you can see on your screen what the vehicles look like. And what is interesting is many people ask the question, how do I work for Tesla? How do I work for Faraday Futures? How do I work for Rivian? How do I work for, the EV division of Ford? Chevy. So you have all these questions that pop up all the time. And now you have the opportunity to join an EV company that is still at the ground floor. VinFast is hiring in California. They have many positions open, some in LA and some in San Francisco. Some of the positions are remote work, so you don't have to come into the office on a daily basis, but they require that you are within, a reasonable distance from their offices. So here you have the VF8. It comes in two trims, Eco and Plus. What we are trying to look at is the range. So you have a variant one up to 260 miles and available end of 2023. Available in 2022. That would be the first variant that goes up to 260 miles. For the Plus, you have a variant that will also be available in 2022 and it goes up to 248 miles. 0 to 60, 5.3 seconds and 5.8 seconds. And they all have dual motor all-wheel drive. Very interesting. And let's take a look at the VF9, see what it looks like. The VF9 is the larger SUV, very beautiful. MSRP of $56,000, up to 422 miles, 402 horsepower, 10-year warranty. Wow. It's a beautiful SUV, I should say that. 0 to 60 in 6.3 seconds. Dual motor all-wheel drive. That's a beautiful interior. Looks very futuristic. You have the seating arrangement there. Look at the second row. Captain chairs that are powered. You can see right here. So for the trims, you also have an Eco and a Plus. And let's see when it's available. Available in 2022 for the first variant with a range of 272 miles. And for the Plus, you have the first variant which can go up to 262 miles. Available in 2022. Dual motor drive. 10-year warranty. That's amazing. All right, we were talking about jobs. Well, for the reservation, I believe it's $200 a piece, and then you get a voucher for $3,000 or $5,000. So here we go. For a reservation payment of only $200 each, you will be one of the first to reserve a VinFast vehicle. Plus, you'll receive a $3,000 e-voucher towards a VF8 or a $5,000 e-voucher toward a VF9 and a host of other premium benefits for a limited time. Wow. Reserve yours now. Program ends May 30th, 2022. Interesting. And here you have the pricing: $41,000 for the VF8, $56,000 for the VF9. The torque, it seems they reuse the same motor for both of them. If you look at the specs on the motor, it's 472 pound-foot and 472 pound-foot for the VF9 also. And there you can see that it's penalized by its heavier weight. 0 to 60 6.5 seconds for the VF9 and only 5.5 seconds for the VF8. And to look for the jobs, you come to the very top right and you click on there, and you can see where it says careers. Click on there and come to the very bottom, search for jobs, and there you can see the jobs that are available. You have an accounting associate in Los Angeles, California. They are even looking for a corporate recruiter, a headhunter, and that is also in LA. So let's click on there and see what they need. Full-time. Wow, so this is amazing. And they just opened this on March 16th, 2022. So yeah, there you have jobs in the EV sector with the company called VinFast. And I think for the time being, they are just recruiting mostly IT personnel, people who will be in the back office, building up the corporate structure before they actually locate where they might start manufacturing, if they have to build a factory or they buy over an existing plant. I believe that might be the plan, and then from there they can ramp up their activity. So I just want to thank you guys for joining me, and just be aware that there's a new EV player that intends to go public in the United States. So they have filed IPO paperwork, and I believe it's under review right now by the Securities and Exchange Commission. When they make their determination as to whether VinFast can be listed on the stock exchange, if they do give their approval and give their blessing, this will be the first Vietnamese company to be listed on a US exchange. So that is something unprecedented, and I'm sure many people in Vietnam would be looking to invest in this company, since the US market is very robust and resilient. If you've made it this far, guys, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the thumbs up button below. We've had a very positive feedback over the past couple of days, and I do appreciate each and every one of you who have subscribed over the past week and even prior to that. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.